Hello everybody, welcome back to another Trading with Zeph. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to go over a live trade example on the 6th of September, trading the ES. Just wanted to go over the daily chart just to give you guys context of what's actually happening. Last few days been pretty sideways, chopping around here. Finally got a nice sell-off day, which is currently happening right now, trying to hit right back to that 4,446 mark for this EMA. So there's some context on the day, and as you can see, been just trending down for the whole day since market open. A little choppy in pre-market, but I'll do a bar by bar analysis later. Marked it all the way here, went sideways, back down. Been waiting for about an hour and a half before a trade finally came up. Wanted to review it and kind of give hindsight. That's for myself here, so I'm going to zoom in nice and big. So marked the new low, came up, bar closed nice and bearish, inside bar. Hope you guys can see my cursor here. You have first entry short, pullback. This is the signal bar. This bar actually isn't that good. Once I do the 1/3 rule as my final filter for a signal bar, it closed on the 50%. But the reason I did take this trade and I did risk it for the biscuit, the trend has, it's just been going down all the way. And me trying to call a top or bottom is not the way to trade. And the market will keep going in the direction for longer than most people think. It's been below the EMA, the trend channel strong. It's been just the context, right? The whole painting of the market for the day has been nothing but down. So that's why I risked it for the biscuit, and it did pay off. So I'll show you the win here. So my entry order goes right one tick below this bar here. Okay, so as you can see, one tick below the bar, I enter 2 contracts. Go one more over here. Let's give you the context actually. I enter at 4,450. Okay, that is actually the low of the bar. And the reason I did that was, since the bar is already closed, you can't see, but in real time, the bar came down, ticked below it. That's what I wanted to see. And then I dropped my sell short entry right at the low of the bar, just to help me with that little bit of risk, that one tick risk that I wanted, just in case I was wrong here. If the market has been always just been coming back, getting the stops out, so that's why I did that. Paid off. This kind of gets more contextual, is once you start doing it, you'll realize what each price bar is doing and how the market's moving. Sometimes it just goes straight through it. Sometimes it does come back, test a couple ticks here and there, and you can get a nice limit order, better fill, better risk. And that's what I did. Went for my initial scalp of 1 point, 440. So I went in 4,450, got out at 4,449. Now for my runner, I moved it to break even, plus 1 tick. And as I see, the market came right back up, ticked me out. So I got 1 point plus 1 tick on that trade. And that was the trade so far. In hindsight, as to just reviewing it, talking it through with you guys, I don't really like when the inside bar gets taken as a first entry and then second entry. And I also don't like the signal bar that much, but it's off the trend line. The market was just going down all the way for the last, since the market opened. Whoops. And yeah, and that's where we're at today. And so this was right near the bottom, so quick scalp. This price target of that 446 was for the daily chart, so it's always good to remember your context for what's actually happening and where prices are, where prices might reverse. You do have also really quick, for everyone who has stayed for the video, you do have a first entry short pullback, second entry short failure right off the EMA. You can go long one tick above this bar. I think, let's see here. So the high 53, let's see here, 53.25, and then stop would be one tick, 50. Well, yeah, your risk to reward isn't the best. You don't have your 2 point initial stop, but yeah, just with the context of the EMA at the 446 mark near the bottom, basically almost touched it just by 1 point. That would have been an okay trade. Anyways, thanks for tuning in. If I take another trade, I'll upload another video. And good luck, everyone. Hope you guys made some money today.